What's up, YouTube family? Today we are going to Mumbai.
भारत माता की जय। अरे यार आप मूवी से थैंक सो मच गॉड घुस के मारूंगा इसको।
What's up, YouTube family? Today we are going to Mumbai. NBA India ने एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करा है in sponsorship with Budweiser. It's a 21+ event. And a lot of celebrities are going to be there, like Ranvijay, Varun Sood, and a lot of pro basketball players as well, like Dhruv Burman and Shirin Lemay. So overall, it's going to be a fun event. Celebrity game hoga. I've heard that Hanuman Kind is going to be there as well. A lot of famous DJs, and basically they are bringing in the hip hop culture and basketball together. A very cool concept. So let's see क्या होता है. Why am I going is basically I'll be giving away NBA passes to the actual hoopers who hoop every day. I have an injury right now, but still it'll be cool to give away these passes to the hoopers who actually play basketball on a daily basis. So we have decided 2-3 courts where we'll go and basically have some fun challenges. Let's see how it goes. Let me show you guys the terminal 1. It's not a good terminal. Actual तो मतलब अच्छा जो है वो terminal 3 है, but this is terminal 1. छोटा सा है. अभी इस टाइम पे टाइम हो रहा है 11:40. बट क्योंकि अपन इंडियंस हैं, सो हम लोग सबसे पहले जाएंगे एंड अपने गेट पे एक बारी देख के आएंगे. सो डे 1 पे अपन तन्मय के घर पे आ रखे थे. तन्मय इज ऑल्सो क्रिएटर जस्ट लाइक मी, एंड ये इसका सोसाइटी है. दिस इज द हाउस. लाइफ ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स.
अबे तन्मय लगा पड़ा है.
ये क्या है भाई तन्मय की? थोड़े उल्टे नाम रखे हैं इसने, कीवी और वो ओरियो. So whoever scores first half-court shot gets an NBA house pass. We are out here in Father Agnell's basketball court with a bunch of really good hoopers. They all have, most of them have played for Mumbai. So let's see how it goes. अरे मारना यार.
What do you think? Who's gonna make it?
Aaron भाई.
You're betting on Aaron?
Yeah, let's see bro. गया. Whoever scores the first basket against me gets the NBA house pass.
नहीं
क्या बोल दिया भाई? कुछ बोल दिया.
नहीं वैसा नहीं, उसके लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं वीडियो के लिए बोल रहा हूँ.
So here's my guy Ashley. He has played for Jain University. I also played for Goa basketball. Congrats, man. So here's my man Harsh. He has played for Thane basketball. Congrats, man.
Disgusting people. मेरा ऐसे ही चला जाएगा.
So guys, this is day 2 in Mumbai. We have organized the pickup game in GKP basketball court, and my cab is right there. So let's see how it goes, man. I'm so excited. People are pulling up to all these courts, and yeah, I'm just ready to be a part of it. Peace. Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Right, cool. So basically, we have an event tomorrow at Dome Entertainment, and उसके कुछ छोटा सा NBA house के पास है, and it's for above 21. So I'm just like give away the passes. I was like, okay, I have some couple of extra passes, so why not just give away to the people who actually play the sports, right? Because I've played basketball for I don't know like 16-17 years और कुछ उसका नहीं रहा. So that is why we are here. I run a page called Overtime India. And we have around like 3 lakh followers now, and we have like hoopers like you who are really good at basketball, watching sports daily. So that's like really big for me, and to have you guys here, like it's really a blessing. And thank you so much for coming over here. So we'll just like have some few challenges for you guys. I have an adductor injury, so might not be able to play one-on-one though. But I'll have some like challenges like 3-pointer contest or like half-court challenges and stuff. So whoever like the first 7 like. I think like we have around like 15 people, right? So the first 7 who wins it, like wins it, right? So we'll start off with that. Okay? Thank you so much.
Getting introduced to a sport like basketball and being able to play the sport, right? It's a great feeling. And regarding the event, we have been in Mumbai for the last 2 days. It's a great event. The kind of lineup they have for tomorrow, right? The kind of artists, global artists who are coming down for the event. You would have to pay at least 5k to 10k for tickets just to get into seeing one of those artists, right? And this man is giving away 7 tickets. So take it in the most fun, competitive way. Let it be a fun sport. He might make you play a one-on-one competition, all maybe the 2 best players here. Just kill it on court. They're going to shoot. Imagine if you could get featured on Overtime India. 3 lakh people follow that page, right? If you get featured on my page, the whole of South will know about you, right? The whole of South will understand there are ballers in Maharashtra. So take this opportunity, have a great day, and enjoy this next 1 hour you're going to spend here. And thank you so much for having us here.
Similar game.
I want to meet him, man. I'll introduce him as Deepak.
Bhavnagar and all. Everywhere I go, someone in Maharashtra will come and say, "Bro, there's someone who looks exactly similar."
Yeah.
देखो इसमें देखो
That camera is not that powerful too.
I know I zoomed in for that reason. Don't worry.
He was also Maharashtra coach, huh?
Hey Deepak, come here.
Kerala version, that's a Maharashtra version.
That's so similar. So let's just do a shooting contest. Whoever scores 2 consecutive shots, उसको अभी कभी मतलब ऐसे NBA हाउस का पास लेके and then दे then उसके बाद we'll do trick shots. यहाँ पे किसको आते हैं? Trick shots, some kind of trick shots. जैसे like for example behind the back, between the legs, as a 360 कुछ ऐसा करके, ये सब तो आता होगा ना? आता है ना, मेरे को लगता है उसको आता है. और किसी को आता है क्या? देखो आता है भाई, थोड़ा आता है. ओके, लेट्स जस्ट हैव अ फन इवेंट. अपन लोग ट्राई करेंगे जिसका भी होता है. ओके, एंड देन उसके बाद विल ट्राई टू प्ले 1-on-1. द थिंग इज कि मैं ऐसे नहीं मूव कर सकता, मैं ऐसे कर सकता हूँ. हाँ, तेरे को तो मारना है भाई. हाँ, लेट्स गो. फर्स्ट वन इज let's go. First winner. जो भी 360 करता है तो उसको भी एक NBA हाउस पास मिलता है. ओके,
Shoy. Oye. शॉट मारे ऐसा लगा था क्या? मार दोगे ऐसा लगा था यार। कॉन्फिडेंस था।
ये पास है, ये पास
नहीं
पास आएगा, ये बस दिखाने के लिए लेके जाना ये।
हाँ, घर पे जाके फ्रेम कर देना।
Today the NBA house is going to happen, and I think we have celebrity games lined up. Vivek is going to come, and Sacramento Kings dance team is also going to be there. So let's see, and we're gonna also explore the ceiling basketball court. And there is this one thing in Mumbai that highway के नीचे ये लोग basketball court बना के रखते हैं. So I want to see that as well, and maybe we can incorporate that in other, like maybe we can promote other government organizations to incorporate that in their respective states as well. So yeah, let's go.
That is Ambani's
Yeah, वो देखा हुआ है.
the tallest building of India. Let me show you. The one, this one. The one.
बढ़िया सीनरीज है भाई यहाँ पे, मजा आ रहा है. On our way to the arena.
So this is the Larry O'Brien ट्रॉफी है, देख लो. NBA का जो NBA फाइनल्स का ट्रॉफी होता है वो लेजिट यही ट्रॉफी है. ओके
Hey, yo! Hey, by the way, yo! This is great. Nice to meet you. With the fight. Hey, let's get close.
You ain't never had the fast investigation. You ain't never had the rap on a date show. You a man, he got spankings.
Durham gets an exclusive Red Emirates basketball.
सो गाइस अभी हम लोग एक चैलेंज पे खड़े हैं. तो यहाँ पे 12 बॉल्स है टोटल एंड 6 शॉट्स मारना है. एमिरेट्स का स्पॉन्सर्ड है. So let's go. Bro, you're winning this. You're going first.
तू जा पहले. Citizen first. I'll see you. भारत माता की जय.
Next turn and right.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे एक बॉल जिता के दोगे कि नहीं?
अच्छा बॉल भी मिल रहा है क्या?
हाँ, फिर इतना बॉल मिल रहा है भाई विन करने के बाद.
Let's go.
This guy can build an NGO hospital. He's going to build an hospital.
Bye, let's go. Let's go.
I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
Why actually made that no look? Yeah, he actually made that no look. Let's go.
I'm not playing.
You're next.
I'm not playing. बहुत ज़्यादा बोलेगा भाई.
Let's go. You're next. Come on. You're next, bro. Come on. Let's go.
Say, just now, I'm playing in the NBA 69 years. 69 years. 10 साल का experience.
Bro, come on, man. What the fuck? There's a house. There's a 3 BHK in Mumbai, bro. Bro, you shot one shot. Done, bro. That's it, bro. That's how long you last also, bro. You have lost all the trash talking rights, bhai.
चुप हो गया ना भाई. मतलब all the videos that I see भाई, सुबह मॉर्निंग रूटीन भाई. गाइस नमस्ते गाइस. बारिश में भी बास्केटबॉल खेलता हूँ ब्रो. अगर नहीं हुआ ब्रो, you done bro. Okay. Oh shit.
Harshdeep is making all these shots. Let's go, bhai. Come on. 40.
Bro thought this was Canada. It's visa for Canada. ये बास्केटबॉल है. देखो बाप होता है.
बाप दिख नहीं रहा, बाप के साए में रहता है. लिटरल साए में अंधेरा. 60 feet. 69. The true African.
69. Bro.
Co-host of the NBA India Games, let's hear it for Simran Kaur!
Bro, why the fuck he's passing, man?
No, bro, that's not a real game, bro. Real game, I turned into a monster.
Come on, drop! Come on!
Bowman! Show me! Fucking Bowman! No, that's my guy. That's my nigga, bro. Back to back. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Talk about woman empowerment. Ladies can ball too, bro.
Come on, Varun! Let's go!
अरे यार अभी से taking so much. God घुस के हैजल मारूंगा इसको. Bro, what's wrong with him, bro? गुस्सा आ गया अभी. He's representing all basketballers in India right now, bro. I hope he knows what he's like carrying right now. Fuck.
Let's go, Varun! Let's go! You got a fan right here. Kill him! Finish him!
No, I think you gotta jump.
Finish him! Let's go!
Let's jump!
Oh!
I love that! I love that, bro!
Let's go, Dhruv!
Yes, Varun! Yes! Power aim up! Passing. Bully ball. Bully ball. Let's go. Yeah, he's good. Bro. Come on, bro.
Nice. Yes. Come on.
NBA jersey. Here we go.
Let's go, boy.
Damn, good job, bro. We gotta get fucking crazy, baby.
Oh, what I love, ooh, baby, it's dangerous. Your problems are just not the same to us. With you, sometimes the run I do not feel like it can be achieved. Mainly cause I try to find it in a pretty girl. Or a little for the time being. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe all this shit was just a knock in the door. People who needed attention slow. See, I am not sorry, I feel like pain. I feel like, okay, see? Indiana.
अभी अपन अक्कू भाई के साथ
ये मुंबई घूम रहे हैं
मुंबई घूम रहे हैं भाई। वो उधर पे तन्मय है, उसको थोड़ा फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस खेलना है। ओए भाई लुक क्यों देके जा रहा है? भाई दिस इज लाइक 5 minutes away from तन्मय's place भाई।
What's up, man?
क्रेजी
भाई
भाई।
उधर
We are chilling, हाँ?
और आप वो सब पीछे साइड जाएंगे ना तो वो सब पानी में
एक सेकंड ना।
क्योंकि सब पहाड़ का पानी है ना, ये सब तो समुद्र का पानी है।
ट्राई नहीं किया ये?
पता नहीं, याद ही नहीं है मेरे को, मैंने कभी। ये मैंगो है ना?
स्कूल में गया नहीं क्या? स्कूल के बाहर में
यार
कच्चा आम है, कच्चा आम
आगे
खाया
से
है।
ट्राई करिए।
दुकान में जो नहला
पर
दूंगा
ऐसे कैरी नहीं बोलते हम लोग,
हाँ भाई।
कच्चा आम ही बोलते हैं।
मैं दुकान में जो नहला दूंगा इससे ही।
हाँ वो
अच्छा
बचपन में खाया मैंने,
क्रेजी है।
बचपन में खाया है मैंने, बचपन में खाया है भाई, याद आया अचानक से। अरे मम्मी ये तुमने दिया था भाई मेरे को, ये हम लोग पहले खाते थे भाई बचपन में। 11 बजे का फ्लाइट है, 10 बज चुका है। मुंबई ट्रैफिक स्टार्ट्स।